Hey guys, in this video I will walk you through the 10 most commonly used words for IELTS as well as for your general English conversations. This video is the second part of the previously uploaded video about vocabulary. If you haven't watched that yet, then I recommend you to watch that one first. To do so, click on the above I button or you can check out the link in the description box below. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Evocative or reminiscent, bringing strong images, memories or feelings to mind. For example, as soon as the elderly woman heard the evocative music of her youth, she tried to get out of her wheelchair and dance. Dwindle or diminish, when something diminishes gradually in size, amount or strength. For example, when there is no rain for a long time, water supply often dwindle and so do our agricultural produce. Anonymous or unnamed, if person's identity has been withheld. For example, I was surprised when an anonymous businesswoman donated $1 million to the charity. Ardent or passionate, very enthusiastic. For example, despite having an immense knowledge about astrology, she still considers herself as an ardent learner. Affluent or lavish, wealthy. For example, though he was born into an affluent family, the once millionaire lost all of his fortune to the stock market crash. Indigent or destitute, very poor. For example, the government ought to be having a healthcare system for indigent people who cannot afford their own medical plans. Bizarre or eccentric, strange or unusual. For example, at our camping site, we heard some bizarre sounds at night which left all of us petrified. Imperative or essential, something which is very important. For example, it's imperative to make the right food choices and exercise regularly in order to live a healthy life. Culinary, cooking related skills. For example, my wife has got incredible culinary skills as she always amazes me by preparing delicious food every day. Slurp, to make a sound while drinking. For example, avoid slurping your tea or soup loudly. Instead, take small, quite little mouthfuls. So guys, these were 10 most commonly used words for IELTS and for general English conversations. I'm pretty sure that memorizing and incorporating them in your IELTS preparation will certainly ameliorate your score. Now, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel, because in this way I get motivated to make more and better content for you. I also recommend you to watch Vocabulary Part 1 and Idioms for IELTS in order to brush up your English language. This is the end for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.